name is Rakhi. So this is our second day at Army Skill Training Center, Satwali. We are having our classes for English speaking and personality development from Kuldeep sir, who is actually a very talented and humble person who teaches us like a small kid. Though the fact that we are graduates, we are housewives, we are like way more, I would not say elder, but way more like not mature. We are at his age only, but he treats us like a child. He never judges like if you are not able to make sentences, if you are not able to join the words, so you are not good in his eyes. He takes each and every student, I would say, in one line only. He doesn't make you superior. He doesn't make you feel anyone who is superior and who is inferior. He takes each and every student like the one only, and he makes sure that each and every student should come here and speak and remove their hesitation, because in these 10 days, for students like us who haven't had any classes or courses before English speaking, are being able to come and speak here in 2 days is really commendable, and I really want to thank Kuldeep sir for this, that he is doing a great and tremendous job in these 2-3 days. If we can make the students like us who have never been to like such professional schools or professional courses ever, and still we are able to join the sentences and make these words and able to speak over here for 5 to 10 minutes or like 2 to 3 minutes, which is very big thing for us. Even our kids are appreciating us, even our husbands are appreciating us. It is, these 10 days are going to be the very golden days for all of us in our life, and it's going to help us in the future as well. Because if we have a ground, a foundational like a foundation of English speaking, like as he told us, tense is the backbone if you want to speak. Tense is the backbone, he told us. He didn't get into like basics and many more layers which are important to learn English. He just told us which is important for us to just speak day to day. So one thing, I really want to congratulate you for being a tremendous teacher and teaching all of us like a child who is just gone to school like in nursery only. Thank you so much, and thank you so much sir for treating us like
स्टॉप कर दिया।
ये वाला वो दबाया था।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
अभी फिर कंटिन्यू है।
ओके ओके सो ओके you know Rakhi, whatever Rakhi told you, exactly the same things are happening here. I would tell you, listen, do hard work. I never want wherever I go that my classes, whatever sessions I provide to students, they go waste. Means we should learn from every opportunity that comes in our life. In a similar way, like do hard work. Today is a time of internet. You have YouTube, you have Google. Understand? Take the help of YouTube. Increase your vocabulary. Increase your fluency. Learn new words. And the technique I have told you, follow that technique. Understand? Like learn one word in 3 days. Use it daily. After 3 days, learn new word. Otherwise, if you learn lot of words in a day, you can forget all the words. Understand? So instead of learning so many things, we should try to learn minimum amount of things that we can remember always. Understand? So I would say do hard work when you are at home after this class, because in these 10 days, listen speeches from different speakers. I told you about some speakers, their names, Barack Obama. Try to understand what they are saying, and after that, for 3 minutes, you can say record your voice or make your video and say something, and at least in 7 lines. Speak on some topic in 7 lines, record that, and then listen yourself. This is the technique. And after all, you are very nice. Then you can say you are attending all the classes. This is a very nice thing. And you know, leaving the class, skipping the class. No, we know everything. We don't need this class. If universe put you sit here, it means you needed that. Am I right? इसका मतलब है कि अगर कुदरत ने किसी को भी यहाँ पे लगाया और वो ये छोड़ के जा रहा है, तो भगवान को भी पता था ना कि आपको जरूरत थी, लेकिन आपने स्किप कर दिया, तो लाइफ में फिर कभी आप वहां पे वो यू विल फेस सम ट्रबल, उनको वो रन स्किप कर देते हैं कि नहीं हमें सब कुछ आता है, हम परफेक्ट हो गए। स्टिल आई एम लर्निंग, स्टिल इफ आई गेट चांस of learning somewhere, I definitely never leave that, learn that, understand? I still learn from some YouTubers as well, if I get a chance to learn from them, if I think that they know better than me. So because knowledge is an ocean, ये समुद्र है, we cannot measure its depth. That's all, do hard work.
Thank you so much.